How to put Instagram in quiet mode. First, open your Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon. Tap the three-line menu at the top right. From the menu, select Notifications. Here, you will see that quiet mode has been renamed to sleep mode. Tap on it. Now, turn on the sleep mode toggle. Set your start time and end time. This is when you want Instagram to stay quiet. Choose the days you want sleep mode to apply. When you are done, tap save. And that's it. Quiet mode is active and Instagram will silence notification during your chosen times.